Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 10 III and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by going to left side and tapping on mode button. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are, we can simply start recording this type of video by using the big red button at the center T shutter, so let me start to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button. To see the video, let's go to the right one that follows us straight to the gallery, and here we can play it by using center button. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.